All right. Hey, you trader nerds, welcome into a wacky Monday after a busy weekend. Hope everybody's having a great day and welcome into the program. We are the trader nerds. If you would like to join us in our Discord room, look in the link below and you get 7 days free. And then it's only like $19.99 a month or something. So, yeah, come on in, be a part of our little community. We would love to have you there and never trade alone. Trade with your friends here at Trader Nerds. Also, we've got our brand new spreadsheet. We've got our trading plan, all that available for purchase down in the comments below or in the description of this video below. So look down there. And yeah, some of y'all want this. And all you got to do is ask me inside our Discord room, and I will share you this setup that we've got here that works pretty good, y'all. I mean, it really does. It tells us what the market's doing. Market's up 12 points today, up 0.24%. Looks like it's beating its head up against the overnight high, and the cash open are the same. The overnight high and the cash open are the same. So this is really an area of resistance that we pop up into there. VIX is down into the 14 handle, and we've got below average volume. AD is strong at 238, so we may actually punch through this toward the end of the day. But for right now, this area is serving as a little bit of resistance, and even though AD is popping up at the moment. Let's see what the Big Green Monster is telling us today. We will be redrawing this on Wednesday, but we are fairly priced. Nothing to see here. We're fairly priced. Where do we think that we're going? Well, probably to the 51.92 area. That's probably where we're going. And let's look at the linear regression, see if we think anything different. Linear regression, unfortunately, I hate them doing that. Darn it, I don't want to see that old scabby looking thing. All right, so here we go. So we had a down little trend after an area of consolidation. What I think we're seeing now, I'm not exactly sure. I think we're seeing another area of consolidation. Let me see if I can, where's my little drawing tools over here? Where is my drawing tools? Anyway, I wanted to draw another little line like from here to here, and then from here to here, showing that it's consolidating. And what I think is going to happen is we very well may kick back up, but I don't know. I think that after this area is consolidating, that we may continue this channel to the downside. Now, that's just me personally thinking about how high everything is. When I go out to eat with my family now, it's over $100. It's crazy. You go to Applebee's and my family's over $100, and we're talking about something that used to be $60, $70 is now over $100. And I know my kids are getting bigger and they're ordering more, but y'all, I'm telling you, it is something. Oh, by the way, some gentleman the other day made a $10 contribution to me on YouTube, and I am so thankful for that. Let's see if I can give a shout out to him real quick. Like, I didn't know y'all could do that. They sent me like $10 on YouTube. I'm like, how cool is that? So he deserves a shout out. Let's see who it was. It was I don't know. I'll find it, but I owe you a shout out anyway because that was cool if you send me $10. Let's see. Anyway, we'll figure it out. All right. So what are we doing now? Well, let's trade the little account. Now this won't be in the little account long, y'all, because I am in the process of transferring my IRAs into this little account here. So as soon as the check clears, and then they're saying it's like May 8th for the check clears, unbelievable. We will add another about 77,000 into this, and then we're going to add another 50 something thousand into this, and then we're going to add another 20 something thousand into this. So this is just going to be a bigger account. But for right now, it's only $6,925. So let's see how we're doing today. 429.24. And this account today is, let's see here, how much is it today? It is at 718703. 7187.03. You know what that means? Fire up the band, Rico. Yes, hallelujah. So look at this, y'all. P&L year to date up $56,225. We are up $1,429 today. That is great. So this account has 12 deltas and 8 theta. 12, 8. Let's put that in. 12 and 8. So that means we have the equivalent of 12 shares of SPY. And look at this, y'all. Volatility has popped back down again. It is the only mean reverting asset out there. You can always count on it coming back to its mean. Its mean is about 17, so we're a little low now. And we're only using a piddly $1,700, say $1,800 in buying power. So what is a man to do, y'all? A man is to put on a little bit of another trade. Not much to do here. Let's do that. Let's put on a little trade. So we've been trading the 111 rather than the 112 lately. If you want to do the 112, that's fine. You'll have more notional exposure, more notional risk. But so here we'll go trade, and we'll clear all of this out. And then what we do is we find that we like that 120 days. So we got 112 days or we got 146 days. So let's go to 112 and let's find the 10 delta, which is about this right here. So the 10 delta there, I guess we could probably go and do this 4650, which is 11% probability of being in the money. Get it a little closer. So let's try to be a little greedy, not change my quantity. I want to change my price. Here we go to 32.75. Let's see if we can get that fill. Come here, baby. Fill me. Everybody have a good weekend. I hope y'all did. Well, let's fix this. Hold on. 7 days. Now we have no hedges in this account. It's just a small account. So let's replace order. Let's move that down to 32.50. And so 32.50, this is, here we go. And so we got to 46.50 for 32.50. 46.50 for 32.50. Let's put our trade in. 46.50 for 32.50. And then it's just a matter of filling in the little gaps here. We traded MES. So we got a lot of little trades on now. I said we traded MES for the love. And this is going to be NP5. It's our fifth one we put on together. Uh-oh. And that's going to be the naked. What was the amount of days on that? Let's see. It was 109, I guess. Is that where I did that at? Let's see. My position's over here. NP9, yeah, 109 days. So let's put this as NP5. 109 days. All right, so let's do that. 109 days. And control colon gives us the date. And these are puts. I don't even know why I got calls on there. I hate calls. So now we got to do a put debit spread. Let's do a put debit spread. Why a put debit spread? Some of y'all have been saying, screw the put debit spreads. That's fine too. You ain't got to do them. Now, I've been trying to layer these things where I don't have them all lined up on the same thing so that I can group them. So why don't we got some area in here, y'all. Why don't we do it, slide it right in there. We'll slide that in the 49.50, 4,900 for 910. Let's bump that up to 915 so we'll get a feel. I said let's slide it up so we'll get a feel. God, this is fun, y'all. Can you believe this is what we do for a living? Isn't this great? Just sitting around trading this. There we go. So we did the 49.50, 4,900, 49.50, 4,900 for 920. 49.50, 4,900 for, what do we say, 920? There we go. And these are puts. And debit spread, 109, control colon. And there we go. So we took in about what, $115 or so in credit overall. Let's see, let's go put him in his group. This is PDS5. And then let's see, let's just check everything out and see how everything's doing. You want to? So let's go PDS5, group positions, PDS5. All right, naked put one. This is our oldest one, y'all. Wow. Is it only at 7.3% profit? Wow. Naked put three is at 50% profit. Is that right? No, well, that can't be right. Yeah, I guess that is right. Look at that. Yeah, 7.3% profit. Wow. Naked put three is at 50% profit. Naked put four is at 42% profit. Naked put 2 is only at 14% profit. And then we just put on naked put 5. Isn't that cool? It's the way to do it, y'all. All right. So nothing more to do. Let's go ahead. We don't cover this enough, but for those of you that are new, let's just tell you what we do. This is how we trade, and what we do. It's a 5-step program. Now, I know some of you that are watching are probably used to 12-step programs. No, not here. We do a 5-step program. It's really, really simple. And everybody can join in with us on how to do this. But when we put on these trades, we have a high probability of success. It's 90% plus probability of success, which is really, really cool. So the only problem is 10% of the time you're going to scratch your head and go, what in the world am I doing? And we went through that the last couple of weeks. Some of you were a little scared during the little downturn in the market, but we never lost our composure, because the first thing that we do is we sell options and collect premium. Sell options, premium. That's what we do. We collect premium, right? And we do that at a high probability of success, high percentage success rate. Our trades have like a 93. I'm loving it. I have a 93% or greater probability of success. Third thing that we do is we just sit on our hands and allow theta to decay. Quit. Damn it. We allow theta to decay. That means an option that we sell for $1, we let that thing decay till it's around worth a nickel or a dime, then we buy it back. So theta decay. Now we spend 80% of our time talking about managing chaos. What do we do when the market goes against us? And we've got a trading plan. Let me show it to you here. That shows you all kind of things that we do for portfolio adjustments. Close profitable positions, we roll losing positions, we sell calls, we can sell futures. We added Victor's Zebra here that we can put a zebra on, or we buy cheap puts, or we close losing positions, or we close the short put in the thing. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different things that we can do in the event that something goes against us. So we manage chaos. And then the fun part, the really fun part, is rinsing and repeating. Just doing it over and over again. So I'm like a broken record, because you come here and you go, Bobby, you're doing the same thing that you did last Monday. Exactly right. It's exactly right. And so we, so right now we are in what week? I don't know, 3, 4, 5. This is week 5. So we should actually have on 2.66 positions today. But we've got on more than that. And this is our sizing calculator that basically says, when we're full book, when I have a full book of trades, I should have on only 8 trades. But keep in mind, we're adding additional money to this account very soon. So this sizing calculator will change. But isn't this cool? What I really like, let me show you this. I know you're sitting there and going, oh, wait a minute, Bobby, this account's only up, less 0.75% on the year. Well, keep in mind that we didn't start trading this. We didn't do anything from January to February. We just started back just a couple of weeks ago on April the 8th. So if you want to see an account that we're really doing good in, let me just show you. Where's the Tasty Trade account? Here it is. And we'll be trading this one on Wednesday of this week, but let's go ahead and look and see how we're doing today. So let's do this one as well. So today is 4/29/24. Just see how good we're doing in this one. So this one is at 46,910. 46,910. Yeah, we are up 11.62% on the year. And this is the easiest one to show you, because what's this? We hadn't added anything to it. Look at that, y'all. It's just clean. And we're up 11.62%, whereas the market is up 7.29%. I mean, we're just killing it. Just killing it. All right. So y'all keep on going. And thank you for joining us today. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And I will see y'all tomorrow.